The demand for high-quality hair straighteners is growing rapidly as more people seek sleek, salon-worthy hairstyles from the comfort of their homes. Whether you're aiming for smooth, shiny hair or need a versatile tool for various hair types, choosing the right straightener is essential. This guide evaluates top models based on heat technology. List 1. GHD Original Styler 1-inch flat iron hair straightener with ceramic heat technology, 365 degrees Fahrenheit safe styling temperature. The GHD Original Styler is a cult favorite, known for its consistent, safe styling temperature of 365 degrees Fahrenheit, which is optimal for protecting hair health while delivering sleek, frizz-free results. Featuring ceramic heat technology, it ensures even heat distribution for smooth gliding without hot spots. The 1-inch plates make it versatile for straightening and creating waves. Lightweight and easy to handle, this flat iron heats up quickly, making it perfect for busy mornings. Its durable design offers long-lasting performance, making it a worthy investment for everyday styling. List number: BabylissPRO Nano Titanium Ultra Thin Hair Straightener. Professional flat iron for all hair types. BabylissPRO's Nano Titanium Ultra Thin Straightener combines power and precision in a sleek design. The titanium plates provide ultra-smooth gliding and distribute heat evenly, reaching high temperatures ideal for thick, curly, or coarse hair types. Despite its ultra-thin profile, it packs a punch with fast heat-up times and temperature control up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces wrist fatigue, perfect for professional and personal use. This model excels in versatility, making it a top choice for users wanting professional quality results at home. List number: Chi G2 Flat Iron Hair Straightener for a smooth finish. Ceramic heater for 40-second heat up. Durable design, 1.25-inch iron. The Chi G2 Flat Iron is prized for its ceramic heater that reaches optimal temperature quickly, just 40 seconds. Its 1.25-inch plates are ideal for straightening longer or thicker hair efficiently. The smooth ceramic surface ensures minimal hair damage and excellent frizz control. Built to last with a durable design, this flat iron maintains even heat distribution to prevent hot spots, ensuring every strand is styled perfectly. Its versatility and reliability make it a favorite among both professionals and everyday users.